Klutz, make your own mini erasers toy in-depth reviews. This product has 4.5 stars based on 2047 ratings and 190 reviews. 87% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 6% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said super fun but very challenging for young kids. My child saw this in the store and had to have it, but it was only a looking day, so I surprised him by ordering on Amazon and using it as a reward for success in school. This was a lot of fun. Great colors, great examples, easy to follow instructions. Not too dirty/messy. The tools and book are great. However, it is taking a while to get the hang of it. It is fairly challenging to make the erasers look like the ones in the book. So, we just get creative and do our own thing. Best advice is to keep the raw material in an airtight container, and when you are portioning it out, use way less than you think you need. We haven't really used them as erasers much, mostly just a fun prop and activity to put on his pencils.
Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Super fun, till you have erasers that don't work well. My daughter and I were really excited about making our own erasers. We have used Klutz Make Clay Charms Craft Kit and the Klutz Make Glitter Clay Charms Craft Kit. We were able to make adorable little charms, but now with this, they would be erasers too. That is, till they weren't. Everything is fine and dandy till you have your finished products and it doesn't work well as an eraser. Making the erasers is easy, the instructions in the book are detailed and you end up with really cute erasers. Baking them is easy too, but once they're cooled and ready to use, they leave very noticeable smudges all over your paper when you try to use them. This was very disappointing. This is the first Klutz activity book that I have ever been disappointed with. That's it.